good afternoon. It's Chris. Ryan's already over there working on that Fox body. We're back at it. We just finished up those seats on that, on my car, those TMI seats. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Thought they came out fantastic. It was Ryan. Came out good. And
They all want them. I'll install them.
you guys need them done, holler at us. We will start doing some installs on that. So good product, great quality, TMI. Shout out to you guys. Just all in, it was a really good turnout start to finish. But without further ado, guys, we're back on the Fox. We're getting into it. We're gonna get straight to work. Stay tuned and follow along. So today's agenda on the Fox is we're gonna start getting everything in here. I'm pointing with this stupid thing. I did it all this whole video. Anyways, we're gonna get back in here, start putting all this back together. We already got the hood prop bolted back down, not a big deal. Didn't miss anything there. We're starting to get the radiator mounts and supports all put back in, and we're gonna start messing with all the wire here. This is a huge mess. It bugs the crap out of us, so we're gonna start tackling that today. We're gonna pull the hat off that rotor cap, get rid of that red, and just start moving along here, guys. We are really hoping to have this wrapped up within the next 2 weeks, so it should be moving pretty quick on the Fox. We're gonna get right to work, so follow along. All right, we're gonna give a quick update and show you where we're at and what's going on. So I started stripping off the front of the motor here. I took off the water pump. I'm gonna work on getting some other accessories off the front of this thing. And man, what the, bro? You gotta be kidding me! Wait, get some gloves.
I use this thing. I use this stuff on everything.
Oh my God, this guy in his simple green. This is unreal. This is another level.
We don't have any gloves.
Anyways, let me get back to what I was talking about. So we're gonna put a new water pump on it. I'm gonna take the thermostat housing off. We're gonna get that painted. We took off a couple brackets up here. We're gonna be working on this bracket for the alternator, getting that all cleaned up. I smell that simple green. Look at him. Look at this fool. This is a wild. Gonna get this bracket off so we can get that all painted to match what we have going on back there. Digging around these wires. And guys, comment below. We are at a we kind of want to tell us if we're crazy. We kind of want to put the clutch fan back on this just to give it that.
Well, let's tell them why.
Well,
because the idiot that installed this has it wired to a switch in there, and there's a rat's nest just going for this. There's 5 wires here for this fan.
Yeah. So
nothing's labeled. There's a switch you have to turn on in the car to get the fan to come on.
So it's not wired to key, number one. Number two, there's another switch in the car for the fan. And so if this goes to the next person, they forget to run that switch, don't catch that the car's overheating, they're going to run into a world of problems. And B, we'll clean up, again, get 4 or 5 wires out of the way on top of what we're doing. And C, kind of give it that nostalgic 5.0 look. I mean, right? Does that make sense? So we're debating on doing that, or just getting another. Because the other thing too is, look at the real estate that this fan is leaving open.
Hey.
Holy crap! Where did you get that? Show everybody what.
You get a 3-pack of this on Amazon.
How do you know that?
How do you think I know it?
Okay, this dude is addicted to simple green. It's something else. So the other problem is guys, all this, I'd say a quarter to more than a quarter, 33% of this radiator is not covered by the fan or a shroud. So we got to address that too. But that's where we're at. We got to get these parts off. We're going to do some cleaning. We're going to get a new water pump on here and just start messing around up in this area. So guys, just stay tuned, follow along. All right, guys, just want to kind of take a few seconds of break.
Ridiculous.
Give you guys an update where we're at. It's hot. I think the heat index in
95 degrees right now.
And the heat index is like 110.
We detail cars all day, and now we're here.
So I just want to flip it around, give you guys an update, show you what we got, what we're working with, and kind of what we're running into. Let's flip this around, show you guys. I thought we were going to be done with some of the cleaning, and every time we just start diving more in, we just find some more stuff to clean. So again, we have the thermostat housing off. We got the water pump off. We got the power steering bracket and pump over there. We got the alternator bracket. We got cleaned up, getting ready for paint. And this bucket, guys, is just, I mean, it's just gross. So we're gonna just keep tackling this stuff. I was really thinking and hoping we were gonna be done with this much scrubbing, but every time we start taking stuff off, we're just like, all right, while we're in there, let's just keep going. And yeah, it's kind of kicking our butt today. So we're gonna keep pushing through it, tackling stuff. Ryan was here, he's flushing the radiator and getting everything cleaned up, and I'm over there just on my hands and knees scrubbing in the nasty heat of Florida. It's terrible today, but just follow along, guys. We're gonna keep moving and keep pushing through. But I'll tell you what, seeing how we have all of this stuff off the motor, the front of it, it's gonna look so much nicer when we get back together. So totally worth it at this point. But we're gonna keep moving, keep pushing, just follow along.
I mean, we're pretty far in it at this point. We should just do a big cam.
I mean, let's do it. Let's just yank it.
Let's just do a cam and a big single.
Big single, big cam, and let her rip.
Maybe it would be
hey, while
as
we're
fast as one of our cars.
While we're in there, let's just do a T56 swap in this thing too.
If you want to make it fast, let's just put a Terminator motor in it.
We could do that. Hey, let's start small and we'll get there. It would be cool to have one of these cars and doing a Terminator swap in it.
I'd love to do a B cam in here and
yeah,
a few other things, but it's all right.
Next one, right? Let's get a shop and let's get out of the. But hey, we're just broke firemen. We're doing what we can right now, guys. Anyways, follow along. We're gonna get right back into it. You guys got a quick peek of what we got here, but we'll flip this back around, take a look at it, and show you a bunch of pieces that we got off, painted, what we did under the engine bay, and I think we made really good progress today, dude. Yeah. So let's flip this around, show you what we got, and give you guys an idea of what's going on. So essentially, we just started pulling the front of the engine apart. Got all the brackets off, yada yada yada. We said that 3 times. But we pulled the cap, I'm sorry, off of the distributor. Got that painted black. We left the plugs on there so that, you know, we didn't get any. We didn't have to tape it because we're not reusing that. We're gonna get some black ones on there like we discussed. Got all these brackets painted up black to clean it up, and then we did some more accents pieces in the Alumablast, and just to kind of accent that front of the motor with some of those brackets. And let's see what else we got over here. And then what we did too up in here was to clean up the front of the motor. We just hit that with some Alumablast, guys, and that looks fantastic. That looks awesome. So I was really hoping to get the motor back together today, but that stuff is super tacky and it's actually coming out really good, so we don't want to mess it up. We're both off tomorrow. You want to tackle it some more tomorrow? Yeah. So what we're going to do tomorrow is,
like a two-part video.
Yeah, get back into this tomorrow, let this stuff dry, and we'll have today and tomorrow in this video. Not going to do 2 separate videos. I'd really like to get this thing back together We do have to order the water pump though. I'll get on that tonight. Hey, I'll get on that tonight for that water pump.
Water pump,
Thermostat, the 180, and the fan. We got to do some. See if we can find a fan, clutch fan.
And shroud.
And the shroud. So we'll get on that. And guys, this stuff's looking really good. We came in here, just cleaned up some of the pulleys. Again, the bracket. We do have to paint underneath here, but it's tacky again. We just want to let it. We're this far. We don't want to screw it up. So we're gonna pull all this stuff in, and we will pick back up on this tomorrow. So we got a two-parter for you guys. It's just getting hot. We're both beat. I brought the trailer with me because I'll be down at my girl's house tonight in St. Pete. Come back here in the morning, pick him up. We got to go detail some cars out in Tampa. Come back and jump back on the car. And update as well, we will be putting that the headlight gasket, rubber, whatever you want to call it, on top of the around the main headlight there, because it needs it, because when the hood's down and it's across the top there's just too much of a gap. So we got to get that on there. So we're gonna pull that back off and just get those I guess we'll call them headlight gaskets, just get them on there so that it looks right, or I should say headlight trim or molding. And so it looks uniform and it looks right. We don't want some crazy gaps in between the bumper and the hood there. So, but guys, that wraps it up for today. We'll catch back. We'll jump right back on this tomorrow and catch you guys then. So stay tuned. We're gonna get right back into it. All right, guys, it's the next day. What did it say, Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday, next day. And we're getting right back into it today. I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys the parts that we let sit overnight. We just did some touching up on them a little bit ago. They've been sitting out for about 2 hours. And we're getting right back into the car. So let's flip this around and show you guys what we got. A little proud of ourselves on this one. We finally, so why are we painting on the ground? We gotta fix that. So, threw up the old ladder, got the old trusty zip ties out, and hit these brackets, and I have to say they came out amazing. They look really good. Cleaned them up, and all in all, super happy with how this is looking. So we gotta hit two more parts that we had soaking overnight in some of that the simple green, and get them painted, and then but we're gonna get back on this. I think we're gonna pop the headlights out, get those gaskets on, and then we're gonna start putting this thing back together. But it looks so much better in here. So we're gonna get right in it, get to it, and actually look how nice that looks. A silver, I should say the Alumablast, the black and the blue. It just kind of has a really nice contrast. It looks really good, especially from back here. So, all right, anyways, we'll get right into it, get back to work, and get this thing back together.
All right, guys, we're pretty much wrapped up today on the Fox. We got a lot of the brackets painted. We got the alternator back on. Unfortunately, we're kind of at a stopping point right now because we're waiting on the water pump and gasket to come. Once the water pump gets here, we'll put that on, put the power steering bracket, AC compressor, put all that back together. We got new wires coming, and that's pretty much all we're waiting on, right? Water pump, thermostat.
So essentially what held us up today is we have the other brackets, the water pump and stuff, not the water pump, the power steering pump, the bracket, and all that is all painted. We have the bracket for the AC, right?
Yeah. That's
done. What's holding us up is we ordered the thermostat and the water pump, so we can't get all that back on until that's in. So we have the gaskets coming for that, the water pump's coming. We just got everything from Rock Auto. We went with the new black plug wires, and we did get on the throttle body spacer and the throttle body itself. But as of right now, we were really hoping to get the whole front drive of this thing put together.
Once everything's back on, the front drives back
but
on.
just you know, we do have the tell them what we did back here, Ryan.
We got the headlights on.
No.
Got the AC condenser in.
So, you know, we did slap in the AC condenser because, you know, we are adding AC back to this thing, which is probably the of the project pieces that we're doing here, that's probably one of the most important, because I mean, look how he's dressed. It's Florida, it's summertime, you got to have air conditioning. So we got the condenser in. We're really trying to push through that, but it's like this stuff. The other problem, where's that can at? Anyways, it's Rust-Oleum. We went with some Rust-Oleum stuff. This is like tacky now for about a day and a half, 2 days. So we didn't really take that into consideration. We figured sitting overnight it was going to be dry enough. It's still a little tacky, which is the other reason kind of why we're not pushing for this. But the main reason is we are missing the water pump and the thermostat. So that's coming in. We did add the headlight trim back on the headlights, gasket, whatever you want to call that. That's back on there. So we did that today. And we're kind of just at the mercy of some parts coming in for this. Because what we're going to end up doing, get this thing running. Once it's running, then we can start deleting a bunch of wires. We just want to get it running first so we know where we're at. Get these wires out of here cleaned up. And then this is going to end up at my house. I'm going to move my trailer to storage, and this is going to be sitting in the garage with the other 2 Mustangs, and then we're going to be there tackling the interior on this so we can take it apart, paint it, get out of the elements, because to be honest with you, man, this outside stuff,
It's for the birds.
sucks. I mean, I've gone through like 3 shirts
It's like 95 degrees out right now.
with the heat index of
We detailed cars all day, and now we're out here again.
So we're over the heat, we're over this weather, I mean, and we just got to get in the garage. So we're going to get it running. I was really hoping to have the whole front drive of this thing assembled today, but again, we're at the mercy of just, some parts coming in. So stay tuned, follow along. We're going to keep pushing the Fox stuff out. She is beautiful, it is coming together, and we're going to have it back up and running. I promise, any day now. It's just little things are just that I guess we're not taking in account. So but guys, just keep watching. If you guys can do us a huge favor, from the bottom of our hearts, we do appreciate everybody. Throw us a like, hit that subscribe button, keep following SVT Garage. We can't do this without you, and you guys have really been chiming in and appreciating all the Cobra content as well. So we'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, because it's hot, and we'll keep it going. SVT Garage.